Hey guys.
Hi.
Hey, how's it going?
Come on in.
Come on in.
Is Killer gonna bite?
I think you've met him before when he was
Probably. When he was a puppy. All right, you have no heat on the second floor?
Correct.
Okay. How long has this been going on for?
I want to say 3 days, 4 days.
Okay. Let's go to the thermostat.
Yeah, I mean, I got that off obviously. Not had it run.
Okay. All right, Bryant, plus 90. Yes, we have light.
The coolant in the machine outside, that's just for the air conditioning, or it does both? That's cool.
The refrigerant in the air conditioning system is for the cooling.
Well, okay. I mean, it's the same system, right? I think it does both.
The furnace blows air in the summertime to circulate across the coil. Why don't you want to come out? Why are you stuck on there? What's up with the plumbing epoxy? Alright. Might as well make myself at home here. Plug holes during normal operation. There's our motor. Oh, nothing's happening there. Is it rot? Yeah, it's rotted above my head. There's a lot of rottenness going on here. Or evidence of. Yeah, unfortunately. Well, we don't have inducer. Door switch. Let's bypass thermostat. R and W. G. Common. W. G, common W, and R. Oh yeah, she's humming. She's a hummer. That's a inducer assembly. Yeah, good luck with that. Yeah, that inducer assembly is blazing hot. 145 degrees. Everything else is ice cold. Let's see if we can spin this bad boy. What does this bad boy say? What do we got here? Little baby capacitor. 3 microfarad. I wonder if she got any juice left in her. Okay. Let's see if we got any juice in her. 2.8. We got a seized motor. Let's see if we can take her out of there. She moves around. But she don't move around freely. Let's see. Blue common, white, W, and red. Bzz. Wow. She just needs to be jerked off a little bit. Look at that. Well, let's see if we can give him some temporary comfort. I'll be damned if the thing fires up. Like I said, I'll be damned if it fires up. Oh man. That was glowing. Take two. Smell that inducer motor burning. Look at that. You have ignition. When that blower kicks on. There's the blower. That's just crazy. Got ignition in there. Can't even hear it. Bet your heat exchange is cracked though. All right. The blower compartment cover is back on. Right now the blower is on because there's an active call for heat when power is restored. So it blower energizes and clears out the plenum for any exhaust gases, what have you. Safety. Usually 4 minutes. Once 4 minutes is up, hopefully our inducer assembly will kick back on. Pressure switches will sense the pressure that the inducer assembly is creating, allow for the ignition process to start with the hot surface igniter kicking on, and then the gas valve opens, main ignition, flame proving, stays on, blower kicks on after the plenum heats up or a certain amount of time transpires. We're just waiting for that to kick off, that to turn on, and that to fire up. So in case you're wondering, the inducer assembly motor didn't come back on, and they sold me a new furnace. Stay tuned. Catch you in the next one. Be well, God bless, stay safe.